All right, so I've been messing with this a little bit. I do have to repair this. I do have one, pretty sure. So all in all, everything looks good. I had to just kind of shim those bolts up because I couldn't find where I put the other ones. Just lovely, but they seem to mount fine. I just pushed them back both on each side, and I scooted the slack forward on this before I tightened it up. But this is the battle that I'm dealing with right now. This is this guy. So we are actively on that, but I think we're gonna have to get another little setup that goes down here. So yeah, lovely. It's coming along great though. Really like these, dude. These are so much nicer. Like, these arms are built, like the quality, I mean, the craftsmanship, it's just way better. Workmanship on these are nice. So it'll definitely free up this front end's gonna look quite a bit nicer. And I like that I can go back to running a normal ball joint on the bottom. Really wasn't liking that other one. So more to come. Gonna take a lunch break and start fixing this guy, and then we'll get the alignment, the upper control arm and the alignment done, and then get it back on the ground, see how it sits.